Hello everybody, this is Cooking in the Kitchen segments with Moms on the Go. I am her son and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make bacon wrapped carrots. All you need is some organic carrots. Carrots is going to fit the bacon, not too big, kind of medium small size, that way the bacon can wrap around them. We're going to have a pan right here, and we're going to just lay it on the pan, carrots on there. I'll show you later on in the video. Have a little bit of pepper right here. Sprinkle it on there, get the maple syrup. Show you guys in a second where the maple syrup is, but we want to just cut the stems off just a little bit. I already cut 2 of them right here, just so you can see, leave a little bit of the stem on. About an inch length of the stem on there, so kind of just measure it right here. You can just really eye it, cut it real easier. Watch your fingers as you cut. It'll be a little dangerous with knives. Kind of put these kind of to the side, for trash later. Go ahead and cut these. Got these like so. So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the pan paper and go ahead and put those on there, wrap them up in bacon. All right, so now that we got the carrots, we got the bacon, we got the maple syrup right here. We put the extra virgin olive oil right here in a little spray bottle. I'm gonna bring it over here and spray the pan a little bit. You kind of want to put it on a little bit over medium. Tighten up with everything here. It's kind of, spray out the pan for the carrots to sear a little bit. My hands are washed. We're gonna take the carrots and put them over here inside the pan. Go ahead and sear. Kind of want to blacken them a little bit before I put them in the oven. Do it real easy so you don't get popped by the oil. Just kind of, ain't no really right or wrong way to do this. Kind of let them sear. So we forgot to show you guys, just so they can cook through and through. You just really want to kind of pierce them a little bit, just so they, cook all the way through, so it won't take so long. Kind of shorten your time on cooking. Kind of just pierce them a little bit. You can do these potatoes too when you're baking potatoes. Make them cook a little faster, so you're not waiting all day for your potatoes to cook. Be real careful because it's hot. You gotta be real sturdy, so your hand doesn't slip and burn. Yep, and like so, this is the last one right here, and we're just gonna go ahead and flip them while they're caramelized here a little bit, searing a little bit, and we'll take them and put them on the pan. Put them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 25-30 minutes and see how it comes out. I said wax paper earlier, but I don't want you guys to set your house on fire. We're going to use parchment paper. That's good for baking. You see the cookies right here, but that wax paper will probably melt inside the oven, but we're going to use parchment. Kind of just put it across the pan like so, just about enough to cover the pan. Kind of even it out on the paper here. And we're going to get the pan, set it right here on this little doil, so that way I don't heat up my table. And here, like so. I'll take these here. Kind of let them cool off on the paper while I get the bacon ready. Set them right here. Pretty sure I can just dump it. There you go. That's much easier. Go ahead and just dump your carrots on the parchment paper. I'm gonna go ahead and get the bacon after these cool off just a little bit because I don't want to burn my hands. It's not really all that hot. Alright, so now got a little bit of pepper right here. I'm gonna just sprinkle it over the carrots just for taste on the inside of the carrots, so you know everything is soaking while it's cooking. Kind of do it with my little fingers right here. Sprinkle it over the carrots here.
And that's just
Don't want to do so much. Yeah, a little pepper and. That should be about good. I don't want to put too much, waste too much, and put some on the bacon. Just want to make sure all the carrots are it's a little coated. Roll them around a little bit. Get a little flavor in there. Then we'll go ahead and take the bacon. First piece of bacon. Let's try this out, guys. Take it in. I'm gonna try to wrap it a little bit diagonal so that maybe have a little space to work with. Kind of like so. Kind of wrap it. You don't want to wrap it over the bacon. Kind of make sure there's a little space in between each wrap that we're doing here. All right, put it right there. Make sure it's closed up. Next piece of bacon. Got a little stuff here. Take carrot and just wrap it around. For these smaller carrots, you might be able to get away with folding over just a little bit so you can fit all the bacon on there. Like so. Get this bacon a little sticky to play with here. Just like this. Go ahead and follow these steps throughout the whole pan of carrots. Keep on wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. Last 2 pieces of bacon. Go ahead and get over these last couple carrots. That wasn't so painful, was it?
Not at all. Not at all.
Alright, now we're going to get just a little bit. I'm going to just dab my hands off because I was touching all this pork. I don't want to cross-contaminate through everything. Right now we have our little own handmade brush. We got a little produce tie, you know, a little long kebab stick and a napkin. Go ahead and dip it right here inside of the maple syrup and kind of just brush it. Alright, here we go. You might need to dip it a couple times just in case you don't get enough syrup. Make sure they're kind of lathered just a little bit. Later on in the video, after we bake it, we're going to bake it for about 15 minutes, take them out, brush them again, and leave it in there for another 15 minutes. Just so all those tastes, real good taste, can get in there. get in there and cooked. Go ahead. Okay, so now we've got a little pepper right here, just drizzling over the carrots. It's my dog in the background barking. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Right here, kind of drizzle it like so, not too much, just a little bit, just for flavor. That's right there over the maple syrup we just did. And like I said, I might do this again in 15 minutes before it's all done. Just another 15. Just a little paint, you don't want to put too much. This is gonna be good right there. So now we have the carrots wrapped in bacon right here. Go ahead and put it inside the oven. We have 400 degrees. Go ahead and set a timer for 15 minutes on the microwave. Slide it in here like so. Go ahead and close it up. Put the timer on 15. So now we got the, open it up. First 15 minutes over with. Take them out, go ahead and do them in for a little bit of, oh, where's the little doil? Can you grab the doil, please? It's burning my hand. Just a little bit quicker there, Miss Mott. Thank you. All right. So now we're gonna go ahead and drizzle a little bit of pepper on it. Well, we'll probably do the syrup and then the pepper, but we're gonna turn them first. So now we're just gonna turn them like so, real easy because they're probably really hot. Turn them like that, kind of flip them around, kind of do like a little 180. When they turn, got a little napkin right here, got a little hot on my fingers. Just be real careful, guys. Make sure the bacon stays on there as best as you can. Thank you for those tongs. Try to wrap this bacon around this carrot like so. And if it falls, it falls. Kind of go ahead like this. Go ahead and turn that like so. Like that there. Real easy there, ladies and gents. Probably gonna bake these for another 20 minutes so that bacon can cook through and through. Just rinse my hands just a little bit real fast. Then we're gonna go ahead and brush with the maple syrup. Like so. These probably gonna be real sweet, guys. Got maple bacon, maple syrup on that thing. Like I said, oven on 400 degrees. It's kind of recalling everything to y'all. Like so. Probably don't have to put as much syrup, just to your liking.
So how's that homemade brush making working out?
Well, I like that.
Okay.
Moms on the Go. Shout out to Moms on the Go for that idea. Here we go right here. Pepper. Sprinkle it just a little bit like so. Not too much. We don't want to have it discoloration because of the pepper. Got my little sister there in the background messing around with one of the friends. Jokester. Be quiet. Recording a food video in here. Moms on the Go wouldn't appreciate you guys talking. Anyways, go ahead and put these back inside the oven for another 20 minutes. A little mitt right here. A little famous mitt right here. Put them in here like so. And for 20 minutes. All right, make sure you guys like, subscribe to Moms on the Go YouTube page, momsonthego.com. Here you go, your bacon wrapped carrots. That's maple bacon wrapped carrots. And here they are. Show them to you guys a little bit, you know.
Boy, they look good.
Hope you guys enjoy.